Welcome to your 5-minute deep relaxation reset. Find a comfortable spot right where you are. Whatever feels easy, you may sit or stand. Let your hands rest naturally on your lap or by your side on your thighs. If it feels safe or easy, soften or close your eyes. Simply let your gaze drop. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Let it fill your belly first, then your chest. Pause for a tiny moment at the top and exhale slowly through your mouth. Long and easy. No forcing the breath, just let it deepen a little more than usual. Do this again. Inhale, pause, and exhale. And once more now. In, pause, and out. Now let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. No need to control it. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice if there is a tightness present. On your next exhale breath, let your shoulders soften. Drop. Release. Nothing to push, simply allow. Move your awareness to your jaw. Feel any tightness. And with your next out breath, let it unclench. Soften. Easy. Forehead and eyes, smooth any lines. Let the space behind your eyes feel open and calm. Hands and arms, heavy and relaxed. Resting fully now. Your legs, feet, grounded and at ease. Any held tension is melting away, like warm light dissolving gently. There's nothing you need to make happen. Just rest in this moment of deeper relaxation. You notice the quiet space that's always here inside you, even in the middle of busy times. Stay with me now. I'm right here with you, breathing, relaxing, simply being. When you're ready, take one more slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, gather all the wonderful relaxed feelings from this moment. Let them settle into your body so you can carry them with you ahead into the rest of your day. Feeling calm, clear, steady. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Bring a little movement back. And whenever you feel ready, open your eyes. You have given yourself a beautiful gift. Thank you for being here.